In the world of power, timing is everything. Not force, not talent, not even intelligence alone. Because power, without timing, is like a blade swinging in the dark. It may look sharp, it may feel strong, but it cuts nothing. Law 35 from the 48 Laws of Power teaches something most people ignore. Master the art of timing. But timing is not what you think it is. It is not speed. It is not prediction. It is not reacting faster than others. Timing is awareness. It is the ability to stand still while everything inside you screams, move. It is the discipline to wait while others rush, panic, and destroy themselves. Look at nature. The lion does not run endlessly across the savannah. It does not chase every shadow, every movement, every opportunity. It waits, it watches, it studies the rhythm of the herd, the weak, the distracted, the unaware. Minutes pass, sometimes hours. Nothing happens. To the impatient eye, it looks like inactivity, but in reality, it is calculation. And then, in a single moment, everything changes. One move, one decision, one strike, and the hunt is over. This is timing. Now look at the market. The charts move endlessly. Candles rise and fall. Noise everywhere. And the amateur trader believes that movement means opportunity. So he clicks. Again and again and again. He trades out of boredom, out of fear, out of the need to feel in control. He confuses activity with progress. But the market does not reward activity. It rewards precision. It rewards those who understand that most moments are not meant to be traded. Think about that. Most of the time, the correct action is no action. But this is where most traders fail, because doing nothing feels like losing. Waiting feels like weakness. Silence feels uncomfortable, so they escape it. They jump into trades that are not ready. They enter positions that are not aligned. They force meaning where there is none. And slowly, trade by trade, they bleed. Not because they lack knowledge, but because they lack timing. In day trading, timing is not about catching the beginning of a move. It is about entering. When the market has already revealed its intention, there is always a moment, a subtle shift, a break in structure, a pause after momentum, a retest that holds instead of breaking. This moment is quiet. It does not scream. It whispers. And only those who are patient enough can hear it. The rest, they are too busy chasing noise, too busy reacting, too busy trying to be right. But the market does not reward those who want to be right. It rewards those who are willing to wait. Master traders understand something deeper. They understand that time is not their enemy. It is their weapon. They let the market come to them. They do not chase price. They let price reach their level. They do not predict. They prepare. They do not react emotionally. They respond with clarity. And because of this, they trade less, much less. But when they enter, everything aligns. The structure makes sense. The risk is controlled. The probability is in their favor. And the trade feels almost effortless, not because it is easy, but because it is right. There is no tension, no rush, no internal conflict, just execution. This is the difference between amateurs and professionals. Amateurs ask, how can I trade more? Professionals ask, when should I trade? Amateurs fear missing out. Professionals understand that missing out is part of the game, because not every move is yours. Not every opportunity belongs to you. And trying to capture everything will cost you everything. There is a deeper truth here. Timing is not just a skill. It is a mindset. It is the ability to detach, to let go of urgency, to let go of greed, to let go of fear, and to trust that the right moment will come, because it always does. The market is not random chaos. It moves in cycles, in patterns, in rhythms, and if you are patient enough, you begin to see it. You begin to feel it. You stop forcing trades and start recognizing moments. You stop fighting the market and start flowing with it. And when that happens, everything changes. Your losses decrease. Your confidence grows. Your decisions become clearer. Not because you learned a new strategy, but because you mastered time. So before your next trade, pause, look at the chart, not with urgency, but with calm. Ask yourself, is this a good trade? Or is this the right moment? Because those are not the same question. One comes from desire. The other comes from discipline. And in trading, discipline is power. Master timing, and you don't just improve your results, you transform your entire approach. You stop being a gambler and become a strategist. You stop reacting and start choosing. And in that choice lies your edge. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications.